What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again today on Mother's Day, unboxing another Soul Supremacy beater box. This box is just a cheap box, man. This box was only 290 bucks shipped. I don't know if y'all can see it. Big old mystery box from Soul Supremacy out of California. One of the best in the business, especially when it comes to mystery boxes. That's where we cop them from. Get a lot of questions on about membership things, like if they're gonna open it up or anything like that for the public. I don't know anything about that. They say they were gonna open up memberships, new memberships in 2018. I think it switched to 2019. I'm not sure what's going on with all of that, but be on the lookout. Follow them on Twitter, Soul Supremacy and Soul Steals, if you guys are into hype boxes with the hype clothing and Supreme and all of that stuff. Yeah, follow them on Twitter and Instagram at Soul Supremacy if you already are not following them. But anyway, back to this box. It was $290 shipped, just a cheap box. They did a random drop last Saturday, I believe it was last Saturday. They've been doing a lot of random drops lately. Yesterday I actually got 2 more boxes. They did another random drop on a Saturday. So yesterday I got 2 more boxes. They'll be here next week, and those are cheap also. They didn't have any expensive boxes dropped, at least none that I seen. The ones that dropped yesterday, I think I got like a 440 and a 390 box. So I'll probably unbox both of those together next week. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because we got more stuff coming in. But we're gonna jump right in this box. Not expecting anything really, you know, too good. It's just a 290 box. You can't expect, you know, a Yeezy or something crazy in a 290 box. Here we go. We in there. First off, I'm gonna do a box with no, supposed to be a pull-out box, but I guess I don't have the whole box. I think these are Sprite. I want to say these are the Sprite Lebrons. LeBron 10 lows. Size 9. LeBron 10 lows. Pretty good condition. Looks to be worn not too many times. They don't. The bottoms are still fairly decent. Not bad. I don't mind picking up the cheaper boxes, because I got a lot of younger people that cop kicks from me who can't really afford, you know, $400 or $500 pair of shoes. So it's nice to throw them guys some deals too. Nike Air Max 90, size 9.5 on the Air Max 90 Essentials. Dead stock. Air Max 90. This is a dope colorway. Very nice colorway. Dead stock. Still have the tags and all that stuff, stickers in the insoles of them. Super clean. I don't know if these have a nickname or anything, but you can't go wrong with a fresh pair of 90s. Size 9.5 on those. I'm rushing through this box because, like I said, it's Mother's Day. I'm about to shave and shower and go take my mom's out to eat. Gel Lyte 5, size 11.5. Okay, we got the Undefeated collab with asics. Gel Lyte 5. These look to be, yeah, these are still dead stock also. Still have the tags on them, all of that. This is a, this is not bad, man. It's not really my swag, but Undefeated, I mean, dead stock should be pretty easy to sell these. Come with 2 extra pair of laces. They both have Undefeated on the lace tips. It's not bad. They probably make a dope gym shoe. 11.5. Dead stock. We got 2 dead stock pair and 1 lightly used. I'm not complaining. Hyper Dunk low, 9.5 on these. I'm not familiar with the Hyper Dunks. I used to be when I was playing basketball a lot. Now I just talk about going to go hoop but don't have time. Damn, I don't know These feel like a premium material, the uppers do. These are a low top 2017 Hyper Dunk. They gum bottom. These look like they've been barely used too. I know they're not dead stock. They have a little dirt on the bottom. But when you have to guess if a shoe is dead stock or not, that's a pretty good condition shoe. I'm gonna say a 9 out of 10 on those. I got 3 more pair in the box, and I don't got one Jordan in this box. That's cool though. It's $290. What can you expect? We got another LeBron 9.5, LeBron 12 low. Not bad. I like the colors on these. 9.5, LeBron 12 low. This is a Hoopers box. Where my 9.5 Hoopers at? 9.5. We got 2 pair of LeBrons. Those are in pretty good shape with the original box. With the original box. LeBron 12 low. I got 2 huge boxes. I already know what these. I don't know why they make this box so big. This is an Air Max 0. The box is always ridiculous. This is a size 13 shoe. And look how much extra box they give you. That's crazy. These are dead stock though. We got the size 13 Air Max 0 in like a cool gray color. These are pretty nice. If these would have been my size, I probably would have kept these for the gym. These are really nice. Size 13. Dead stock. So, last up, I have a Reebok Pump It Up. We got an Insta. Okay, I think I know what these are. Size 13. Man. Size 13. This is from the movie Ted. If you guys ever seen that movie, it's a pretty R-rated movie. But Ted, these are the Reebok Pump. And it's got like fur on it. I think they have an angry and they have a happy Ted. I'm not sure which one I got yet, but I'm gonna have to look it up. Bait and Reebok collab. I wish I could show you guys the inside. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. They got Ted on the inside. This is a really wild shoe, man. I actually have Ted on the back of the shoe. So, I mean, if you're a fan of the movie and you wear a size 13 and you like Reeboks, I got you something right here. That's gonna do it for this little $290 box. All right, as I was saying before my camera rudely cut me off, if you want anything from me, hit me up on eBay or hit me up on Instagram at TGOTSOLE. You can DM me or you can email me directly, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com. All these kicks probably still be available. I haven't even updated the eBay, man. So if you're watching this video, you can just DM me or email me, see if I still have them. Just been super busy, man. But I think that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap up the $290 box. Again, I got 2 more boxes coming next week. So make sure you hit that sub button so you guys can get in on these deals, man. Hopefully we can get them unboxed and uploaded quickly. And yeah, we'll go from there. So appreciate you guys watching as always. I'm out. Peace.